In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable password protection for your Shopify store, ensuring you have complete control over who can access your online shop. This is an essential tutorial for anyone looking to customize their store's accessibility, whether you're just starting out or planning an exclusive launch. Let's walk through the steps together, and I'll provide some context and tips along the way to make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Shopify admin page for your store. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Shopify admin site where you manage your store. This is the central hub where you control everything from inventory to marketing, so you're likely already familiar with it. Once you're on the admin homepage, the next step is to locate the Online Store option on the left-hand side of the screen. This link will take you to the section where you can oversee the design and preferences of your store's online presence. After clicking on Online Store, you should see several additional options, including themes and preferences. For this tutorial, you need to choose Preferences. This is where you can modify various settings such as the store's title, meta description, and crucially, set up password protection. Clicking on Preferences brings us to the next part of our task. In the Preferences section, look for the area labeled Password Protection. Enabling this feature restricts access to your store. This is particularly useful if you're working on a massive update or crafting a themed event for your customers and prefer it not to be publicly visible yet. Once you find password protection, go ahead and enable it by ticking the checkbox. This will activate the password feature, preventing unauthorized visitors from viewing your store. Now that the password protection is enabled, it's time to set a password. Directly under the password protection option, you'll find a field labeled Password. Here you can enter the desired password that visitors will need to input before accessing your store. Make sure to choose a secure password, ideally something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Consider including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. Once your password is set, double-check that all your changes have been saved. This simple step ensures that everything we've done is locked in place. Congratulations! Your Shopify store is now protected with a password, giving you the peace of mind you need. Whether you're using this feature temporarily or as a long-term solution, you now have a firmer grasp on your store's privacy settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.